Okay, what do we have today?
I don't know many engineers that appreciate abstract art, but many of us create it. Just look at all the different connectors used for signal and power on a lot of industrial designs. Phoenix Contact's M23 PRO connectors provide a uniform connectivity solution for signal and power, and they offer many other advantages. M23 PRO connectors are available with up to 17 signal contacts or 8 power contacts, and they're easy to assemble. Phoenix Contact's optional one-click technology is a fast locking system that provides visual, tactile, and audible feedback when properly mated, and M23 PRO connectors are compatible with threaded and fast locking systems from other suppliers. Cable connectors feature a reliable shield connection and overlapping clamping ranges to ensure reliable clamping in harsh applications. The connectors also have an integrated vibration brake for operation in high vibration environments. Phoenix Contact's M23 PRO device connectors fit existing flange dimensions, making them a drop-in upgrade to conventional connectors.